Sa kabila ng ceasefire na inanunsyo ni US President Trump, may pangambang hindi pa rin papaawat ang Iran at Israel. At dahil nakisawsaw na rin ang US sa gulo, madadamay kaya tayo? Narito ang agenda report ni Joash Malimban.
You know, you bomb 3 places, 3 nuclear sites, and then suddenly you say, now let's stop peace. Yeah. Do you think the Persians, you know, the Iranians is
Ito
going
ang
to accept
pahayag
this?
ni former National Security Advisor at political analyst Clarita Carlos sa naging pambobomba ng Estados Unidos sa 3 nuclear sites ng Iran. Ayon kay Professor Carlos, highly improbable pero may posibilidad na mag-spill over ang nagaganap na digmaan sa pagitan ng Israel at Iran dahil sa direktang pangingialam ng US. Worst case scenario raw kasi ay kung pati ang ibang foreign superpowers ay mangialam sa digmaan, lalo na't close ally ng Iran ang China at ang Russia.
China, by the way, is also a strategic partner of Iran. It has very, very robust trade relations with China and with Iran, rather. And by the way, Pakistan became a nuclear power because of China, and India became a nuclear power because of Russia. Do you see the linkages? Yeah. You connect all these dots, and you can see how alarming the situation is.
Ani Prof. Carlos, it's a long shot pero sakaling direktang ma-involve ang US at ibang malalaking bansa tulad ng China, posibleng mahila ang Pilipinas sa kaguluhan.
If China, taking advantage of the situation, does something in Taiwan, and then the US pulls our leg into the Taiwan issue, that's the only time, the EDCA sites become relevant.
Inanunsyo ni US President Trump na may ceasefire agreement na ang Iran at Israel. Kinumpirma na ito ni Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu at ng isang Iranian official, pero hindi pa rin malinaw kung ano ang terms ng kasunduan. Ang ipinagtataka ni Prof. Carlos ay bakit si Trump ang nag-anunsyo at hindi ang dalawang bansang nagdidigmaan.
Of course, we've been talking about the motives of the US, which is pretty clear, which is to support Israel. But right now, I don't know what the play looks like. You can have so many hunches about what is really going on, and why does it seem like parang director ito si Trump, and just directing the behavior of 2 actors, Israel and Iran.
Naglabas na ng statement ang Department of Foreign Affairs patungkol sa kaguluhan sa gitnang silangan. Ayon sa DFA, kailangang bumalik ng involved parties sa negotiating table bago mas lumala at lumaki ang kaguluhan. Para sa agenda, Joash Malimban, Billionaire News Channel.